In the heart of a bustling city, chaos erupted as a monstrous earthquake struck unexpectedly. Buildings trembled, streets cracked open, and panic swept through the terrified populace. Amidst the chaos, a group of ordinary citizens transformed into heroes. Sarah, a firefighter, dashed into the crumbling buildings to rescue those trapped beneath the debris. Meanwhile, Jack, a paramedic, braved the aftershocks to tend to the wounded, his hands steady, despite the chaos around him. In the streets, Marcus, a construction worker, used his knowledge of structures to guide people to safety, leading them through the maze of collapsing buildings. Alongside him, Mia, a nurse, provided first aid to the injured, her calm demeanor a beacon of hope in the chaos. Together, they worked tirelessly, their actions driven by a common purpose: to save as many lives as possible. Despite the danger and the odds stacked against them, they refused to give up, knowing that every life they saved was a victory against the devastation. As dawn broke and the tremor subsided, the city emerged from the darkness, battered but resilient. Thanks to the bravery and selflessness of these heroes, countless lives were spared, and hope blossomed anew amidst the rubble. And though their names may never be etched in monuments, in the hearts of those they saved, they would forever be remembered as true guardians of humanity,